What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe, check out all the content, let me know what you think of all the content and all that good stuff. So straight into it, we've got some All Saints shorts. The name of these is on the label. Underground sweatshort, jet black optic white. They are £79. Literally, they are plain. They just have that All Saints little print on them, and you know, I really do like the quality. It does feel a firm quality. I don't know how to explain it. It does feel like it's quality. It doesn't feel, you know, cheap, flimsy or anything like that. Unfortunately, no zip pockets. They are just standard pockets, literally standard pockets on both sides. Again, standard pockets. It's got a nice long drawstring. I don't know why I like that, but yeah, it's nice and long. You can just let that hang or whatever. And yeah, literally plain old jet black All Saints shorts. Oh yeah, there's pockets on the back. A lot of shorts have one pocket on the back. These have two, but I don't think I'll ever use back pockets on shorts, to be honest. So they're just there for fashion or style or whatever you want to call them. And yeah, pretty decent shorts. They go well with the t-shirt that I got. You know, they're literally the same t-shirt, same logo, kind of like a coat, because summer's here, sun's out, and it's baking outside. So, you know, gotta have a few nice coats. But yeah, that's literally all from me for today. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of all the videos. If you have any recommendations or anything you want to see, let me know, and I'll do my best to, you know, accommodate that, etc. But yeah, that's literally all from me for today. Take care, my people.